Breathe normally, observe the breath, fill with gratitude, fill with aliveness, fill with aliveness. See, we are alive, we all are alive, we all are conscious, we can listen, we can talk, we can observe, we can feel, we can smell, we can touch, we can taste. See, there are many attributes, many accessories with this thread of aliveness. Because of aliveness, we can feel everything which comes under our dimension, which comes under this dimension of aliveness. Yes, which comes under this amalgamation of body, breath, mind, which comes under this complete one element, but in togetherness, that is 5 elements of Pancha Mahabhuta: Jala, Agni, Vayu, Akash, Prithvi. Yes. At the same level, 3 more: mind, intelligence, and self. These 3 and these 5: water, air, fire, space, and earth. These 5 and these 3, Mana, Buddhi, Ahankar. These 8 becomes Ashtadha, and this Ashtadha becomes the whole one element. We can call it as human being in this form. Ashtadha, 8 limbs of human being. Realize it, feel it, understand it, and fill yourself with gratitude towards these all 8 in united, in unity, in harmony, in huge, according to yoga, huge, united, together. Feel it, feel the union, feel the yoga, feel the huge. Togetherness is the key. Because of togetherness, this aliveness happens. So fill yourself with more gratitude towards the togetherness, toward this togetherness of 8. Thank you so much. Thank you, existence. But there are not only 8, there are more than that. They might be hidden right now for us, but there are more than that. See, we have not counted trees. Trees might be the another dimension of lungs, but we have right now inside our body. See, space might be the another dimension of our inward space. Everything is interconnected. We just have to realize it. Everything is interlinked here. But not the blind realization. Realization with the scientific process, with the humane process. The thought of aliveness. See, we are alive. We can realize, we can communicate with each other. We can live in harmony. We can be in togetherness. We can move our hand. We can take our hand down again. Because we are alive, so we can give command to our body. This very attribute of ourself. So with the thread of breathing, with the thread of body, and with the thread of mind, we have to move ahead and ahead. According to Indian spirituality, there is a one saying, Neti Neti Charayveti Charayveti. Means for us, this is not the end. We have to move ahead and ahead. Not this, nor that. Might be different one. So we have to moving ahead and ahead. With this very thought of comma, yes, semicolon, not the full stop. Right now, I realize this much. This might be true, might be false, but right now, this is true for me. So I realize this much. This may be changed, but right now, I realize this much. So here is a comma, not the full stop. This much, up to this level. But my journey is not ended here. It is going on, moving ahead and ahead, ahead and ahead. It might be change is constant, flux is real, but right now, the very reality for myself is I am realizing that I am alive and I am feeling the aliveness. So thank you so much, existence, divine unknown, everything, or this unknown power which I don't realize yet, but I wish to realize this unknown power which makes me alive, which realize me the importance or the very essence of aliveness. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'm filled with gratitude for this aliveness. Thank you for this gift of aliveness. I am feeling the aliveness. Now simply with this very thought of aliveness, simply observe our body. See, we can feel our body. We have body. Yes. As we say, we might be in grade 1, so we have to speak clearly. See, we have our body. You have your body. Everyone has its own body. We are in this body, so thank you, body. I am realizing you. I am feeling the importance of you. I am alive because of you. Body is very crucial in this very process of aliveness. Thank you, body. I am feeling you, realizing you. Because of you, I am alive. Thank you so much. Now moving ahead from the body to the breath. Again, see, breathing is happening. So we are alive. I am alive because of this breathing. Thank you, breathing. Thank you. Again, moving ahead to the mind. We can realize we have mind because we can think, we can feel. So thank you so much, mind. There might be 2 dimensions of mind. One is logical, another one is emotional. So I am thankful to both of you. Thank you, my emotional mind. Thank you, my logical mind. Thank you so much. But there might be a third one, which is a hidden part of the mind. I don't know what it is. But again, this unknown mind, I am thankful to you too. Thank you so much. I am filled with the gratitude. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, body. Thank you so much, breath. Thank you so much, mind. Thank you so much, each and every element. I am realizing you. Because of you, I am alive. I can feel the aliveness. Feel the aliveness. Feel the aliveness. Take this very thought of aliveness up to your base center, up to your center of Mooladhara chakra, or at least up to your Nabhi Kendra, the Manipur chakra, the navel center. Try to inculcate it, drink it up to the navel center, this very thought of aliveness. I am alive and I am feeling this aliveness.